In today's video, I'm going to show you how to justify text in Framer quickly and easily. If you're building a website in Framer and want your text to look cleaner, more balanced, and more professional, this simple setting can make a big difference. Justified text is great for giving paragraphs a polished layout, especially on pages where you want a more editorial or structured look. And the best part is, it only takes a few clicks. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Framer tips and website design tutorials. Alright. Let's jump right in. First, open Framer. Once Framer is launched, open the project you want to work on. This can be any existing site, page, or design file where you have a text block that you want to format. After your project is open, click on the text layer you want to edit. Make sure you select the actual text element because the alignment options will only appear once the text layer is active. Now look over to the right-hand panel. This is where Framer keeps most of the design and text settings. Scroll or look under the text section until you find the line. This is the setting that controls how your text is positioned inside the text box. You'll usually see several alignment options there, such as left, center, right, and justify. To justify the text, click the justify icon on the far right. This is the option that spreads the text so that both the left and right edges line up more evenly across the paragraph. Once you click it, Framer will immediately apply the change to your selected text layer, and you should see the paragraph take on a more uniform, block-style appearance. If the text doesn't look the way you expected right away, don't worry. You can always adjust the width of the text box to help the justified spacing look better. Justified text usually works best when the text layer has enough width to breathe. So if your paragraph looks too tight or the spacing feels awkward, try resizing the text box slightly and checking the result again. This is especially useful for blog-style content, landing pages, about sections, testimonials, or any area where you want a more refined presentation. It can help your layout feel more consistent and give your page a stronger visual rhythm. Just keep in mind that justified text works best with longer paragraphs rather than very short lines, because short lines can sometimes create uneven spacing. And that's it. You've just justified text in Framer. As you can see, the process is very simple once you know where to look. Open Framer, open your project, select the text layer, go to the right panel, find a line under text, and click the Justify option on the far right. That's all it takes. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more Framer tutorials and website design tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.